Danse. Charity Cooper and Tisnigasum. Cree Language and Culture Facilitator in Adaptuskewan. Uta Manitoba First Nations Education Resource Center. Hi, my name is Charity Cooper. I am the Cree Language and Culture Facilitator for Manitoba First Nations Education Resource Center. Today I would like to share with you and review the sounds of the Cree Syllabic Standard Roman Orthography. Please notice that this syllabic chart that I have has both a short and long vowel system in there. Listen closely to the sounds, and at the end of this video, the syllabic chart that we will go over today will be provided. Eguse, minagisi. Have a nice day. Okay, we will review the Cree syllabics with Standard Roman Orthography chart, the sounds. We'll go vertically and then we'll go horizontally. E, che, ke, me, ne, pe, se, te, we, ye. E, che, ke, me, ne, pe, se, te, we, ye. I, chi, ki, mi, ni, pi, si, ti, wi, yi. O, cho, ko, mo, no, po, so, to, wo, yo. U, chu, ku, mo, no, po, so, to, wo, yo. A, cha, ka, ma, na, pa, sa, ta, wa, ya. A, cha, ka, ma, na, pa, sa, ta, wa, ya. Ch, k, p, s, t, w, y, r. Okay, we'll do it horizontally now. I, o, a. Che, chi, chu, cha. Ke, ki, ko, ka. Me, mi, mo, ma. Ne, ni, no, na. Pe, pi, po, pa. Se, si, so, su, sa. Te, ti, to, ta. We, wi, wo, wa. Ye, yi, yo, ya.